Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing a PS4 controller with an Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing you need to do is put the controller into pairing mode. You do this by holding down on the share button and the PS button simultaneously. Keep holding them down until the LED panel starts to flash. You now need to open the Settings app on your Android device. Go to the connection settings and open Bluetooth. Switch your Bluetooth on if it's not on already. Scroll to the bottom of the list of devices and your controller should be visible under Available Devices. Tap on your controller's name. Tap Pair on the pop-up. As you can see, my controller is now paired and connected to my phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.